machine perfectly places street cones. Street cones are mechanically placed and retrieved by the Roadrunner equipment. This TR8 racing simulator is fast and extremely stiff. 45-minute assembly, incredibly flexible, and beautifully made to practice racing cars. This Centaur horse walker machine offers all the automated facilities and automated exercises equipment for horses to all the training facilities, breeders, boarding facilities, and others worldwide. The Opus OP4 camper trailer makes use of the most recent Airbeam technology, which allows them to fully inflate at the touch of a button. You can quickly turn your gloat into an incredibly accurate tactical pistol by using this Recover Tactical 2020 Advanced Black Stabilizer System for a gloat. An autonomous underwater vehicle is a robot that can navigate the ocean floor without constant operator input. The Renspeed Snap Concept Car's interior is all about cutting-edge solutions that are more environmentally friendly, motivate, and astound the user. Dohan iTank, the perfect city motorcycle, arrives at your destination without delays, thanks to its maximum power and strength. When it comes to power and size, the new Rollba R500 is exceptional. There are also numerous choices in clearance widths available. The blade-made flip extension from XL Specialized Trailers extend the back of wind turbine blade trailers by 27 feet. The SL2 is the best attachment for lifting and handling saw-cut concrete. The HD1800 Hydrus combines simplicity and sturdiness. The enormous tire changer of the future is available from Corgi. Oath. This machine perfectly places street cones. Street cones are mechanically. Ray is a one-platform, fully autonomous transportation system. It intends to deliver packages, transport passengers, and collect recyclables. Ray is a one-platform, fully autonomous transportation. The HX50 is the helicopter you've always desired. It is exquisite in every way and combines outstanding performance, safety, and ease of flight with an outstanding ownership model. The SLR110H is a piece of equipment that can be employed with the small tractors that sugarcane growers already use frequently. The HX1 concept truck, which has no cab at all, will function as a component of an electrified site alongside a grid-connected excavator and a hybrid wheel loader. Self-propelled recreational vehicles RVs like this motorhome provides transportable living quarters. HS706A shoe upper folding machine. This folding wrap machine uses cutting-edge packaging technology and is incredibly versatile. This food wrapping machine compiles with the standards for processing fresh foods and is designed with hygienic belt type, no pusher and feeding conveyor. Rexar 6300 Platinum, a self-propelled harvester with 6 rows and intuitive control using the Ergo Drive operating principle. Due to its 360-degree rotation, the Water Wheel XL can be positioned anywhere in the yard, making it simple to reach nooks and crannies. Specifications for the sit-on-top design with separated backrest that keeps you seated. With the original iTarget Pro laser training system, you can safely practice dry-fire training with your actual pistol while using a phone app and a laser bullet. Powerful machine with a modular hardware and software concept is Exeduc Bot. It can manage machines that are currently in use up to Cat 3 in the back and Cat 2 in the front. The Hardion Centaur line is a high-tech sprayer that adheres to the lean farming philosophy of getting more done with fewer resources. This Optimum 3000 is a stationary, nearly silent ionizer system that is simple to use. The newest lines of Optimal goods, the guiding premise behind the new Optimal product lines is the right machine for every trade. The Daimler Chrysler diesel engine powers the self-propelled forage harvester known as the Claas Jaguar, which is manufactured by the German business Claas. EOL 2000 and 3000 sprayers are high-precision vineyard sprayers for controlled spraying.